Hey, what's up, my hungry vegans? We are back with another video, and I cannot wait to show you guys this new skincare line that I stumbled upon. So, this is Pharrell's Human Race skincare line. I suffered from some sunburn while going to Puerto Rico, so let's clean this skin. So, this is what the box looks like. Human Race, biodegradable box, of course, all natural. Yes, look at it. And it comes with a nice little message. Take care of your skin. Take care of your family. Take care of your people. So nice. So nice. And then this little card is kind of like a step-by-step on everything that you will do and everything that it includes. So the first one that I have here is a cream that you put on last. So I'm showing them in reverse. This one is going to be the first thing. That's the rice powder for the cleaning. And then this one is the exfoliant. So good. So let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, as always, wet your face first. Get all up in them crevices. All right. Yes. So first thing that we're going to do is grab our cleaner. Now this comes out as a powder. Now the first time I used this, I was like, what is this? Has a little dome. And you'll shake in like kind of like a quarter size. That's it. Rub your hands together, and it does, create like a suds. Now, for me, I like to use a little bit more because, I get like all up underneath there too, where I get the bumps and all that good stuff. But so as you'll see, like I'll just shake just a little more. Because I need to get like all up in there, cleaning up all that dirt. But yeah, we went to San Juan, Puerto Rico. So amazing. But I did not wear any skin protectant. So yeah, I definitely needed some. However, this skin routine will definitely get me back on track, exactly where I need to be. So as soon as we rinse this off, the next thing that we'll do is just kind of like pat it dry a little bit, but still leaving some moisture to your face. And then next we'll have the exfoliant. Now this one, you have to twist it in order to make it come out. So it comes out like right at the top. As you see, it's pretty cool. So just twist it, push it in the center, and then it'll slowly but surely come out on your finger like that. And it kind of feels, how do I describe it? Kind of feels like sandpaper, but in a good way. So it does soothe your skin. It takes off all the dead skin, but at the same time, replenishes it as well. So it's really good. Really, really good. I find it really good, especially for us men that get hair bumps right up underneath your neck. This exfoliant is actually really good. It cleared away a lot of dead skin for me. So we're just gonna go ahead and scrub all of that in. I'm so silly, y'all know me. If you haven't noticed, I did get my nose pierced, so I was trying to be a little careful around that area, yet I'm scrubbing like right now. But yeah. So now just rinse that off. And then, of course, the same routine. We'll go ahead and pat it dry a little bit as soon as we're done rinsing all this stuff off. Using all that good water. All right, so now we'll just pat it dry. As soon as you pat it dry, then you'll move on to your final step, which is my favorite step. It's the cream. And the cream, literally, it goes a long way. You'll see. So just a little bit goes a long way. That's the last step. And of course, when I first opened it, I used what was in the cap first. As you see, it's very smooth. That's all you need, literally. Just rub it right on in. And with other products that I've used in the past, I struggle with like getting, whatever the product is in my beard. But this product actually doesn't dry up my beard at all. It actually replenishes it and hydrates it a little bit more as well. So yeah, we'll get all up into the bags. As you see, no more dry spots, right? Yes. Okay, you look good. Go back up, back up, back up, back up. Show them the end result. Finish them. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely be back with more videos very soon. Until next time, stay hungry. Bye.